Your training can be more professional with double shoots technology in the palm of your hand. Before you start training, perform one zeroing session using the app. Shoot 4 rounds at 10 yards using a block bench rest to ensure an accurate zeroing. After the first session, adjust the sights according to the algorithm's instructions. Now the weapon is ready for the second and final zeroing session. After 2 sessions using the double shoot app, the weapon is zeroed and we can start practicing. Each hit inside the black diamond scoring target frame is worth 5 points. At the end of each practice, the app provides you a detailed report with the number of hits, the session score, and the grouping size. Once you're confident with your score, you can choose a worthy competitor. By consistently training with the Double Shoot app, you'll get faster results, and all of your data will be preserved so you can track your progress while your shooting skills remain professional. Do you like winning? Keep practicing with Double Shoot. Don't stay behind, use Double Shoot. Double Shoot. Become more professional.